Recording.
Record. Let's say the color.
Here comes.
Here, hey, Daddy. What color is it? It is green.
That's cool.
Ooh,
What the heck?
coming back. Here we go, Daddy. Let's see a color. It is.
What color?
Oh.
Oh, wait, there's something? No.
Going bad.
Look down there. There's like balls everywhere.
Let's see another color,
Yeah,
Daddy.
I'll think about this weekend.
Let's see what color.
That's gonna be
is it?
orange.
Orange.
I knew it. Because it's orange. Boy.
Orange. What?
Now let me love you.
Oh, there we
Put
go, Daddy.
in.
Let's see a color.
That's gonna be white.
Let's see.
gonna be white.
It
It's gonna be white.
is white.
Yep, I knew it. Guys, you see Fanta? I'm drinking it right now.
Go, Daddy.
Yeet!
Let's see another color. It is
Fanta.
blue.
Love Fanta. Like
Blue,
it?
Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Here comes another one. Let's see a color. It is yellow. Daddy, here comes another color. Daddy, it is white. White.
What's smoke coming? I can't breathe.
Let's see another color.
It smells like food
Hey,
here.
Daddy, it is green.
I don't like this. Oh no, I don't like smoke.
Look.
I don't like the smell of smoke.
Here comes another color. Hey, Daddy. White.
That one's got a sparkle.
It's white, Dad.
I don't like smoke.
Hey, Ryan, what color is it? I see yellow.
How about you let me do it? I can do it real far.
Oh, dear. Mm. Here comes another one. It's smoke. It is white.
Now what?
I'll put that.
Here you go. Oh, maybe you go this way, okay? Green.
2 hours later.
Daddy, let's see another color. Hey, Daddy.
Yeah.
Let's see. It is blue. Here comes another one. Daddy, it is yellow.
Same day.
Daddy,
That's how far you can
here comes
actually
another
throw
one,
that.
Daddy.
Throw it a lot behind.
Orange.
You can see the colors.
Get away, smoke.
Hey, Daddy. Hey, Daddy. Ooh, hey, Daddy, what color is it?
That's gonna be green.
Green. Oop, here it comes.
Have guts. Get the
Let's see,
clothing.
it is blue.
That's how far you can actually throw that,
Ooh.
Dad.
Throw it a
And
lot farther.
then
You know, actually,
orange.
I'm gonna try to do farther than that, dude.
Here comes another one.
I'm
Dad.
using your phone.
White.
Knew it. I'm about to say it.
Daddy,
Yeah.
let's see another color. Yellow. Daddy,
Dad, would you put? Can you put my
blue.
Where? Go fall off.
Are you sure?
Because
Here comes another color. white.
Mom, I want to put it on here, Dad.
Here comes another color, Dad.
Okay, just don't forget it.
Blue.
Sorry, guys.
Oh no.
Smoke coming. I can't breathe.
Smoke is coming inside the garage.
No, I can breathe. Go. Bruh. Charger much closer. I can back it up. I believe, Mister Daddy, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, here comes Ryan.
Whee!
I had one left over. I didn't know how to.
Ah!
Almost best.
And now we're done. Well, except for we still have a box of Snapdragon.
Yay! That's all we have.
Let me do
Yep,
it.
this is the last of it.
Wow.
Give that to me, okay?
I'll give you some. I'll give Ryan some.
Ah, stop.
I can have that, okay?
Ah. Stop.
Yep, some hell here.
Holy.
There you go.
Okay, guys, have okay. Guys, you see these? Watch this. Yeah, I did.
We're out of fireworks.
We still have snapping thingies. It's all.
That's all. Well done.
Can you actually call this video something?
Look, guys. That's right.
Well done.
That's great. I'm gonna do
Just
it.
say the
Let me do it.
last of the fireworks, I guess.
Let me do it. Don't it work. That didn't work.
Let's try this one.
Well done, I guess.
Let me try it.
Oh, that one.
For me, I want to do that.
Here you go, Ryan.
Here's two right here.
Oh yeah, dude.
Can I have it?
You can have one or you can
That
have
one.
a little harder, like a man. No, it does. Oh well. Some of them are just dodgy.
This worked.
Yeah, that'll work. Grab your soda, grab your soda. Yeah, good one. Grab your soda.
Did you still record? Still record.
No. Alright, I gotta close the door. You found one? Oh, no. Flat feet, Ethan.